Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki and I would like to welcome all my new subscribers. Hey, welcome. And I'd like to welcome back my day ones that's been rocking with your girl. I'm here to do a unboxing for Ipsy. It is a subscription for $25 a month. You get 5 full-size beauty items for $25 a month. I used to be with Ipsy the beginning of this year, and they have like the Ipsy glam bag, which is like travel size items, and I particularly didn't like that, so I canceled with them. I was with them for 2 months, February and March, and after March I canceled. So I figured let me try them again. So I signed back up and I received my box for this month. So I am excited. So let's begin. I'm going to show you what the box looks like. The box looks like this. And it says to you, from you. To you, from you. And then when you open the box, it says discover yourself. And the box looks like this. It comes with a little foam cover. So, lift this back. And also when you open up the box, it comes with a card letting you know about all the items that comes in your box and the prices of the items. So let me dive right in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down the list how they already have the items. It just makes it a lot easier. Okay, so the first item that I have is the Dr. Bryant Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator, and it looks like this. And I heard about this. It's a exfoliant anti-age. Now, I heard this is a really good product. I'm excited about trying it. So, this product is $79. Yes, it is expensive. I am so happy that I have a subscription so I can get a lot of my expensive items in my subscription. Win-win for me. Okay, the next item I have is a highlighter, and it comes in a little box like that. And it is, let's see, oh, it's a little push button. Look at that. It's like a little lipstick, and we twist it all the way. Ooh, that comes up far. Now I'm going to swatch some of it on the back of my hand to see how it looks. Look at that. That is pretty. It looks like more of a rosary pinkish color. Rosary pinkish color. It's pretty. So I will be trying this out. And this retails for $26. Okay, let's put that back in here. That to the side, and I'm gonna wipe my back of my hand off. Okay, and now the next item I have is it's a Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette, and it looks like this. And it also has the different shades on the back. And it's like a little sleeve. You can just pop that off like that. And it's the same as the box. And this retails for $30. And we're going to open it up. And it looks like this. And it comes with a mirror. And I'm going to do some swatches. Let's see how it looks on the skin. Okay. Let's do... It seems like it has a little bit of fallout, but this is the first one, the second one, and the third one. Let's the first, second, and the third one. I mean, you can see it, but then again, you can't. But those are the bronzers. And it has a little bit of fallout. As you can see that I'm blowing. And once again, as I stated, this retails for $30. There you go. Okay, I'll put that back in here. If I can. Now this is like my third time doing this video because I had too many interruptions. Like that little person you just seen right there. They just want to be all up in my video or have some type of background noise. But third time's the charm. Third time is the charm. I'm going to get through this video so I can put this video out. Okay, anyway. Now my next item I have is a Betty Boop palette. Hey, I like Betty Boop too. And I got me a Betty Boop purse, so I'm excited. And this palette retails for $30. Okay, let's open her up. Ooh, it feels kind of like heavy, like it's sturdy, and it looks like that. Okay. And let's pop it open. Ooh, these colors are pretty. And it looks, those are the colors. And this is a mirror also. Oh, the little thing fell out. This is a mirror. I'm not gonna, no. I could peel it off a little bit so y'all can see it. I'm sure y'all believe me that it's a mirror, but I just want y'all to see it. There's the mirror. Okay. And I'm going to do some swatches so I can see how this looks on the skin. I'm going to do the first rose. And these are the first 4 rows. Look at that. And now I'm going to swatch it on the skin. And these seem like they have a little fallout also. That's okay. And they're really soft though. But that purple is banging. That is really, really cute. But this looks really nice. I can't wait to play in this. I might have to do a video on this palette, applying it to my eyes. Now I'm going to swatch the second and final row. It's only 2 rows. This is a 8-pan palette. And these is the colors. And I think these colors are buildable too. Like this light shade right here probably could be used as a tradition shade. Look at that. I really love that color right here up at the top. That is pretty too. It's like a shimmery metallic type of color. Okay. All right. Put that to the side there. And let's see. The last item that we have on here, it is makeup brushes, and it's by Ferret. It's Midnight Pro Trio, and there's 3 of them in here, and this retails for $48. Honestly, I wouldn't pay $48 for 3 makeup brushes. I'm sure these makeup brushes are bomb, but once again, that's what a subscription is for, to get all your expensive items. These are really nice. And the cool thing about these makeup brushes, they have a blue tint to them. Let me see if y'all can see that. I'm going to show one by one. See that blue tint? And they are soft too. Really, really soft. I can't wait to use them. Even the handle is sturdy and soft. And on the back of it, it says tippling 40 FM. This one says 20 FF straight. So I guess this is the name of them. And this one says Cheeky N 218. So these are the brushes. And I have in my bag a Betty Boop little bag. So I was gifted with this. And this is nice. It has the little things in the back with the little hearts. Now, the good thing about this bag is, check it. You can put the Betty Boop palette in here. You can put the bronzer. Let's see. Yep, you can put the bronzer in there. You can also put the highlighter. And Mahogany, give me that from him. Sorry about that, y'all. My son that ran off with my stuff. And you can also put your cleansing facial wash in the bag. Everything that came in the box besides the brushes can fit in the bag. So this is really nice. I am so excited about this month's subscriptions box. This was a heck of a way to get me back on board with Ipsy. So thank you, Ipsy. You did a girl justice. But yes, once again, the box is $25 a month. And you get 5 wonderful items in your box. And if you're thinking about maybe wanting to get a subscription with Ipsy, I will have all the information in the description bar. So I believe that is everything that I have to present and show you guys. And I just want to say thank you to everyone for just taking out the time to watch my videos that I upload. And I also want to say that I'm going to end this video. And I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell to all. That way you know each and every time that your girl uploads a video. So I want to say bye-bye and be blessed and see y'all next time.